Savoury herb shortbread is on the menu this morning. I've got a lovely selection of fresh herbs from Superb Herb, all available from the supermarket. Let's get the herbs chopped up. Scrape them in. Also going to add in 1.25 cups of flour. We will give that a quick mix through. Next, into the bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of grated cheese. Okay, going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. And I've got unsalted butter here, unsalted Westgold butter. Room temperature, so it's easier to mix. Right, the dough is taking shape now. Just going to lightly flour my bench top and tip the dough out. We'll give it a quick knead together. That's taking shape. Now we need to get it wrapped up. I've got a beeswax wrap. You might use plastic wrap. Nice and tight, and that's going to pop into the fridge to firm up. And we're going to cut this into centimetre pieces. Now these are going to go onto our tray that is lined. First, we'll just brush these shortbread cookies here with a little bit more melted butter. Got Westgold again. You know these are going to taste good with so much butter involved. Now I've got some more herbs here from Superb Herb. These are ready to decorate on top. These are ready to go into the oven. It's going to take 15 minutes or so until they turn a lovely golden colour. Here they are, my finished savoury herb shortbread with Superb Herbs.